What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix randomly shuts off issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on device care, and then in device care scroll down and click on auto optimization. Now click on auto restart, and here you will see a restart when needed button, so make sure this button is disabled. And after turning off this button your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then check the volume keys and power key if they are working properly or not. So if the keys are not working properly, then maybe this is the cause of shutting off your phone randomly. So to fix this issue, check if there is any dust or anything else stuck in the volume or power key. But after cleaning, if you are still facing the issue, then you have to take your phone to the repairing shop and they will repair the volume and power key, and after that the randomly shuts off issue will be 100% fixed. But after repairing the keys, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end, and here click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now here in reset scroll down and here click on reset mobile network settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, it will fix the randomly shuts off issue in your phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.